Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how you can add a txt or cname or a record on Namecheap hosting provider platform. So right now here you can see I would like to verify this custom subdomain by adding this cname. If you want to verify your domain under Facebook Business Manager, you also have to add a txt or meta record to your DNS provider. And right now in this case I am going to verify this Stape subdomain using this cname record. So after watching this video, it doesn't matter whether you have a txt or cname or a record, you can add any kind of record to Namecheap. Okay, to add this record we have to copy the value first, then we will go to Namecheap account, and from the dashboard we'll click on domain list and find out our domain. So this is our domain, and we will click on manage, and we have to check one thing, that which kind of name servers right now we are using on our Namecheap. So right now here you can see I am using Namecheap web hosting DNS for this domain, and if you see that your name server looks like this one, then we have to follow another method. Okay, so if you see this, we have to follow another method. But if you see that your name server is Namecheap basic DNS, then it's very easy. You just have to go to advanced DNS, then here you will see the option to add all the records here. Okay, so right now in our case we can see that we are using Namecheap web hosting DNS, then we have to follow another method. So we will click on hosting list, and then here you can see the hosting list onlinemanager.com. So now we have to log into the Cpanel from here. If I click on Cpanel, then it will redirect me to the Cpanel. So here you can see this is the Cpanel of my website backend, and now we have to find out this zone editor. Okay, if you can't find this, you can simply just search this here like zone editor, then you can see this one. Okay, so I'm clicking the zone editor now, and then here you will see all the domain listed here. So here you can see this one mine. Now I will click on manage, then here you can see all the DNS record that I have added previously. Now I will add the new DNS record from the Stape account. So this is my value in.stape.io, and this is the type cname, and the host will be this one. So I'm going to copy the value first and then go to Cpanel, and now I will click on plus add record, then first select the type. So this will be cname, as here you can see this is the cname record, and you may have txt or a record, or here you can see all the type. You may have a record, CAA record, MX record, txt record. So you have to select the type of your record. So this is cname, and the record is this one. I have pasted it here, and the zone name will be this one. If I go to Stape, and let me copy this one and paste it here. So I will remove this one from here. So this is the host name, I mean the zone name. Now here you can see I have added only this one, Sagar, without this onlinemanager.com. So it will automatically collect the rest of the domain if I click outside of this box. Here you can see. But if you copy this whole things and paste it here, it will duplicate. Okay, so make sure you are adding the first one, just the subdomain. Okay, so after adding this here, let me click save record. That's it, I have added this. Now we can see that we have added the record correctly or not. We can use a tools, Google Dig Tools. Just go to toolbox.googleapp.com, then paste your subdomain here like this one, and remove HTTP from here, and then select the record that you have just added. So this is a CNAME record, and here you can see detail 20 minutes and target is in.stape.io. That's mean I have added the record correctly in.stape.io, and I think this one will be verified very soon. It may take 5 to 10 minutes, or sometimes it takes 1 hour plus. So let's see how many time we need to verify this. Okay,